how to put margin and WPS office. And okay guys, to add a margin on your document, okay, you'll have to do is go to upper menu button and go to page layout. Here in page layout, on left side, you can see the margin. Okay, you can click this and you can see the option of margin. So, okay, you can set into last custom setting, or you can set into normal, narrow, moderate, or wide. So, for my example, I put the margin into normal. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully put margin and WPS. And also, you can customize the margin by clicking the custom margin button below of this margin. And okay guys, the pop-up are show. Now you can customize your margins. For my example, I create margin into 1 the top, 1 the left, and 1 the bottom, and also the right is 1. And after you customize the margin, okay, click OK button on the pop-up to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully put margin and WPS office.